In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down menu in Shopify. We'll walk through building a clean, clickable drop-down using Shopify's built-in menu tools. This is great for organizing products into categories like collections or shop, and it helps customers find what they need faster. First, from your Shopify admin, go to the area where you manage your menus. Open the Content section, then choose Menus. This is where all of your navigation lives. If you already have a menu you want to update, like your main navigation, click its name to open it. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new menu here and give it a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it later. Next, we'll add the drop-down header, which is the label people will hover over. Click Add Menu Item. Enter a name for your header, such as Shop or Collections. In the Search or Paste a Link field, you can link this header to a page if you want it to be clickable, or simply type a £, the symbol number, to make it a non-clickable label that only opens the dropdown. Click Add to confirm. A quick tip: keep header names short and intuitive so they display well in your theme. Now add the items that will appear inside the dropdown. Click Add Menu Item again and enter a clear name, like T-shirts. In the link field, select the destination you want, such as a specific collection, a page, or a product. Click Add, and repeat this for each item you want in your dropdown. Consistent naming, like plural nouns for categories, helps customers understand your structure at a glance. With your items created, it's time to build the dropdown structure. Click and drag each item you want inside the dropdown slightly to the right until it indents under the header. That indentation tells Shopify it's a nested item. If you want a multi-level dropdown, for example, categories under shop, and then subcategories under categories, drag a sub-item even further to the right beneath another sub-item. Be mindful that deeper levels can be harder to navigate on mobile, so only use additional levels where it truly adds clarity. When everything looks right, click Save Menu to apply your changes. Saving ensures your structure and labels are live. If your theme supports dropdowns, you should now see the nested items appear when you hover or tap the header. If something looks off, return to the menu, adjust the item order or indentation, and save again. That's it. You've created a clean dropdown menu in Shopify.